Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2. The ZR2 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado ZR2, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. You have your drivability dial, push button 4x4 and your automatic headlights, fog lights, as well as your trailer mode. Heads-up display controls, a black leather wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters on the reverse side, blacked out bow tie of course. Truck has 4 kilometers right now at this time of filming, brand new, fully digitalized, gauge cluster there as well, push button ignition. We have the 13-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system, so Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Play Store. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay both available there as well. The truck is equipped with parking sensors on the rear, auto stop start. One of the better features on the ZR2, the independent locking differentials electronically, front and rear, just like the Colorado ZR2. You can lock those for the ultimate off-road experience. You do have your integrated chiller braking system, heated and ventilated seating. You do have dual zone climate. Shifter knob is now in the center as well. We do have the ZR2 branded interior with the two-tone black, gray, yellow stitching. Bose performance audio throughout as well. And those beautiful ZR2 seats ready to take you anywhere. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful blacked out alloy wheels, only available on the Silverado ZR2. We do have 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, big aggressive tire. Before we even leave the rear here, you can see the Multimatic suspension on the ZR2. Fender flares as well, color matched door handles on the crew cab, keyless entry, ZR2 badging on the door, on the front fender, and 6.2 on the hood. We do have the factory 2-inch lift as well, making the truck stand a little taller, making room for big wheel and tire packages. Again, the Chevrolet Performance Multimatic DSSV suspension system up front, bumper cuts, red recovery hooks, ZR2 branded grille. We have the blacked out grille with camera system, as well as the bow tie, the flow tie, right through design, LED lights all throughout. Coming down the side of the vehicle, rear tinted privacy windows. The truck is equipped with remote start. Towards the back of the Silverado, we have step-ups in the rear bumper, trailer tow package, the multi-flex tailgate, and LED brake lights with your Silverado ZR2 badging on the tailgate. Jumping into the box of the truck, it is lined as well from factory. Again, ZR2 on the box. Jumping into the interior here, second row leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well and heated. We do have in-seat storage feature. ZR2 interior with the yellow stitching in the back. You do have sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting and a black headliner, single pane sunroof. You do have your heated seats and USB controls in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.